How to unhide a photo on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Once you are here, you can view all your photos and videos. Now, scroll all the way down until you reach the Utilities section at the bottom. Tap on Utilities, and within Utilities, tap on the Hidden album to view the hidden photos. This album is where all photos and videos that you have previously marked as hidden are stored. You have to authenticate with Face ID or your passcode to access the hidden folder. Inside, you will be able to see all the photos and videos you have previously hidden. Once inside, tap on the photo you wish to unhide to view it in full screen. Go to the top right corner and tap on the three dots icon to see more options. A menu will then appear on your screen. From this list, select the Unhide option. The photo will be removed from the hidden album and will now be visible in your main photo library. Following these steps, you can easily unhide a photo on an iPhone.